Yo, what is going on YouTube? In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get mods in Scary Baboon. This is the easiest method, actually requires no PC and no Discord. You can do this on your mobile phone, and this is actually just going to be a Scary Baboon code you can redeem in game, and it is going to get you the secret mod menu. And it is completely free as well, guys. So yeah, this is definitely the fastest and easiest method to get mods in Scary Baboon. This is working in 2026. Before I show you how to do this, guys, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do plan on making more tutorials and more methods of getting mods and free stuff in Scary Baboon. So what you're going to want to do is basically, as you can see, use your mobile phone. I'm using an iPhone here. You can do this on Android. You just need an internet connection. Like I said, this is a no PC method, but to get to your Scary Baboon mod menu promo code, you need to use your mobile phone and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it correctly, crash coupons, and essentially it's going to bring you to this awesome game code website. Now if you haven't seen this site before, you're in for a very pleasant surprise, guys. They actually have hundreds and hundreds of different game codes. They have an animal company, gorilla tags, stuff like that, but what we need to search for using the search bar is Scary Baboon, and it should pop up, guys, once you type it in. And this is the codes page. There are 3 verified working codes. Thousands of people have been using these. Over 100 people have used these today alone. So scroll down and look for the mod menu promo code. This is going to get access to the secret mod menu in Scary Baboon. Like I said, guys, this is a no PC method. This literally uses a promo code, and it is going to unlock the developer mod menu. So this is going to give you all of the features that developers can have, and it is completely free and working. So you do need to unlock your Scary Baboon code. This is simply because these are limited. There's 550 codes, and this basically prevents someone stealing all of them. So you can only do this once, and I have already done this. But what you need to do is click on this button and simply follow the instructions on this page. You just got to complete a couple of the tasks. They're all going to be completely free, and they're really easy things. You just got to make sure you follow the instructions to unlock your code. So once you fully complete 2 of those, it's going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and basically it will reveal your code. And basically you grab your code, redeem it in game, and that is going to give you access to the mod menu in Scary Baboon. So that is it, guys. I know this video is super quick, but I hope you found it helpful. Head on over to Crash Coupons. If you need any help getting your mods in Scary Baboon, let me know. Make sure you do unlock your code by following all of the instructions. It's pretty easy. It will take you about 5 minutes. Drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.